Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to withdraw crypto from Gate.io to your bank account. So for withdrawing any crypto, first you need to open Gate.io website at your browser on your PC. Once you open Gate.io, then here at the top you have the option of assets, click on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you have the option of funds management. Once you tap on it, some options will appear. Here you can see the option of withdraw, just tap on it. Then wait for at least 10 to 20 seconds, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Then here you have three options. Choose that how you want to withdraw. Choose you want to withdraw through on-chain, through phone number, email ID or Gate UID or Gate code. Here I tap on on-chain withdrawal. Then you have the option of coin. Just select the coin which you want to withdraw. Then enter the address on which you want to withdraw your USDT coin. And then just select the network through which you want to withdraw. So here you need to enter your withdrawal information. Here my account is not verified yet, but if your account is verified, then you need to enter withdrawal information. In withdrawal information, you just have to add payment method through which you withdraw your coin. So for withdrawing crypto from Gate.io to your bank account, so you need to tap on bank transfer. So this way you can easily transfer crypto from Gate.io to your bank account. If you found this video helpful, leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. If you have any question related to it, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching.